Thomas Gonnet makes $50,000 per month selling AI to health clinics. And you've probably seen Thomas start out in the SMMA and content space. And over time, he transitioned to software as a service in the past couple of years. But in actuality, you can shortcut this transition that Thomas has made within a period of 1 month now, to where it took him years to understand the med spa and health clinic industry and now build the software. You can do and copy the exact process and do this within 1 month or less now with AI and all the no-code softwares that are available. And so in this video, I'm going to break down the exact roadmap on how you can copy Thomas's Dermis AI app and how you can do it for your own business, for your own niche and your own market. So let's first look at Thomas's background and how he's done this. So Thomas has scaled an SMMA in the health clinic and med spa niche for a while now. He ran an agency, and more so he understands their pain points. He worked with so many health clinics and med spas that he knows all the problems that they have. And he's done their lead gen, he's done built out their CRMs. He understands all their pain points. And so because he understands all their pain points, he can build a software to understand the pain points. Because if you were to start building a software and you don't understand your niche's pain points, you're not going to build a very effective software, right? So in this time span of learning of understanding his niche for 2 to 3 years, you don't need 2 to 3 years to understand a niche. You only need a couple months, right? And so what he's built is a vertical SaaS, right? He has a software that scales vertically within one niche, right? Which is health clinics and med spas. And he offers these health clinics. It's not like a done for you software or like done with you software. It's a DIY done with you, right? It's a no code white label app, right? Kind of like GoHighLevel, but for health clinics, right? But this is mobile friendly, that they can customize the app for themselves, right? They can configure that, they can change the colors, they have the font, the logo, they can paste on their website, and it'll customize the entire software to them, right? And so this is a DIY app, so he doesn't have to assign a account manager to every single company's account. He's built the software so that people can do it themselves. And the features it's just automation, patient financing, a rewards program, and memberships, right? For people to keep track of. And how he makes money without scaling one-on-one from SMMA, trying to sign on a client on a call every single time, is he has recurring income from network effects. He has an affiliate program for med spas to refer other med spas. And the med spas have an incentive to make 40%, kind of like the GoHighLevel model of an affiliate. And the way this is genius is that he allows these med spas to customize the app for themselves, to where as a lead magnet, you can say, hey, Amber's Health Clinic, I've already took your website, I've already customized this tool. Why don't you look at it, let me know what you think, and if you want to do it, here's my link for you to sign up, and then I can make a commission off of you joining, right? So as a health clinic, I have a huge incentive to sign on other health clinics because I make 40% commission. But not only, I don't have to, the demo here sells itself. It's already customized to you. It's already handed to you on a silver platter. Why wouldn't you try it, right? And so this model is genius because you can sell one to many without having to get on a sales call, having to watch content, and then go through all this worrying about, do they know and they think this is going to work? Here's the app done for you. See if it works. Do you like it? Do you like it? Anything you want to change? And if you want to change anything, you want to do it with us, book a call, right? And so why did he do this? Why did he start from SMMA and do a software? Right. And obviously, it's just a natural course of progression in online business, right? First, you understand their pain points, SMMA. You have a service-based business. You sell one-on-one. You trade your time for money. Now, you understand how to work with these people one-on-one. You sell one-to-many. You build a software that you already understand their niche and their pain points. You sell one-to-many, right? You build once and then distribute. Then you don't have to worry about getting on sales calls and worrying about client calls and people churning, right? But most importantly is distribution, right? And in order for this to work, you have to distribute, because anyone can build a software like this over a hackathon project in one weekend. But your distribution channel and the pain points that you actually solve, that's what's going to make your software different from everyone else's. So what's very key that makes Dermis unique and you can copy is their client acquisition process. Is while they ran paid ads in some of his YouTube videos, he was super excited about Google VO3 when it came out and all the video ads you can generate. But paid ads alone isn't going to really make you, it allows you to scale, but it's still reliant on other things like people understanding that this is going to work, all those things. So what they do is they went to a lot of conferences where they can sell one-to-many. So they pay once to go to conferences, do all these speaking events, collect a lot of content and case studies and testimonials, and they had a speaking event so they can sell one-to-many, right? And from here, the genius is the affiliate model, which it incentivizes other clinics to sell the software for him because they can get a 40% recurring commission, right? And literally on his website, he tells us to people, hey, share your invite link. You'll be credited for the referral even if they click away and come back another time. And the way that they share the link isn't just a link that, oh, sign up. No, it allows them to be wowed by their free app built in 3 minutes. So people can put in the app for the website and it gets their logo, the colors, services, and pricing, and it builds a customized app that they can try out right then and there, right? And from here, there's no sales call, right? There's no 40-minute YouTube video that I gotta watch this and make sure this works, right? You can just see it on a silver platter, right? You can literally just demo your app right then and there. And then either on a $297 or $497 a month plan, you will earn commissions even if they upgrade. So for decades in the future, and then people won't cancel, sub 5% cancellation rate. So now Thomas sits back and just waits for other med spas. So let's say you sign on 10 med spas through sales calls. They refer their friends, they get 2 people to sign up, boom. You now, for each of them, now instead of the 10 that you now get 20. And then they refer more. It's a network effect. So now your distribution, you build once, sell to many. Right? That's why he doesn't need to worry about sales calls and all those things anymore. And that's why you don't need to either. So you can build this exact tool. I mean, what it is just a fancily wrapped with good UI GoHighLevel. Let's be honest. It's a GoHighLevel mobile app with a totally different UI. And maybe the key thing, I would say the key feature that makes this software such a huge selling point is its distribution. Right? What Thomas has learned more so than, because he can sell this software and continue to sell on a sales call, but that's not going to do anything for him, right? But it's this distribution channel and not having to worry about selling the software that these med spas in the clinics are doing it for him, right? It distributes themselves, right? He can sit back and other people will sell it for him because he's built out the feature that they can customize it. There's an affiliate link. He sees it built out, customized to them, and they can see it on a silver platter, and it literally sells itself. You want to build an asset that sells itself, not reliant on sales calls, not reliant on paid ads, right? Word of mouth is king, referrals are king. And if you want to understand how you can do this for your business and you want to work with us one-on-one, sign up for AI Sales Academy, book a call with us and see if we're a good fit for us to work with you and scale your product or service to $10,000 or more per month in the next 90 days.